Hello there everyone, and this is Felix from Felix the Dev, and today we're going to talk about how to get an A in your next programming course or computer science related. So what I'm going to show you guys today is the most common mistake I made as a student and how you can stop making it and improve your grades dramatically. So before we get started, we need to talk about why is this important. Why should you, as a computer science student or just a student in general that is going to take a programming or computer science related course, should care about getting an A on that course. So let's get started. So this is going to be more useful for computer science students, and the reason why is that when you are going to apply to a job that is programming related, some employers take a look at the programming courses that you took in college and they check out the grades. And this is not only for jobs, but also is common for graduate school. If you're going to do a degree that is related to computer science, then they're going to look at those grades, because these courses, such as data structures and programming courses in general, they also computer science related, they contain the fundamental knowledge that you're going to need to go ahead and do the job, program. So having a good grade is a good indicator that will open doors for you. So that's why you should focus on getting an A on this course. It will open your doors to better opportunities, and not only that, these concepts that you're going to learn are so important for the rest of your career. So if you learn them right and get an A on top of that, it's going to be great for you. So what is the common mistake that students make that I've seen over the years from the students that I've worked with? And also, I made this mistake as a computer science student in college, is that I did not use the syllabus and underestimated the importance of the syllabus. So what is the syllabus? The course syllabus is a document that is going to tell you as a student what has to be covered for the duration of the semester. This not only applies to computer science courses, but it applies to math courses or science courses or any course that you take in college. But relating to computer science and programming, this document is essential for your success. And why is that? Because this document shows you everything's going to be discussed. Also, many times I've seen is that they contain the chapters of the textbook, the materials there. So what I've seen is that when the tests that you're going to take, right, on those concepts are based on what has to be covered in the syllabus. So many times I see my students studying and practicing a lot of things that are not even discussed in the test. So when they go to the test, they feel confident, but they studied other concepts. And what happens is that in computer science, there's a lot of knowledge out there, and programming, there's a lot of knowledge that you could cut and make a test out of. And these tests are designed for 2 hours, or depending on the time that they allow in your university. So what happens is that when students don't follow the syllabus, they go ahead and they feel so confident, but they don't do as well at that particular test because the concepts were not the ones that they needed to study. So what I recommend all my students is use a syllabus. Get the syllabus printed out the first day, because that's generally when all the professors give that document, and always use it as your map for success. So study with it, mark out like all the topics that you need to know, and this is a bonus tip that if you do, this is going to help you get an A on that next programming course, because I did it, it worked for me, and it improved my grades like skyrocketed. So do the programming course, the programming problems, or just do all the problems assigned in the syllabus. Because many times, this is where I make big mistakes, and I see students make, is that because the professor does not require them as a assignment, they don't do them. And that's what separates the overachievers in the course and the underachievers. So my recommendation and advice is do all the exercises assigned in the syllabus. Just do them for yourself, and the more you practice, the better, because the tests are designed generally in programming courses to apply the theory that you learned in class. So you're going to see questions of type of write a program, or what's another type of, it's tell the, or show the output of the program, or would this program run. So those skills, for you to get good at applying them, you need to practice them a lot. And what I've seen over the years is that the tests, if you do the exercises in the syllabus, you're going to train your brain for that, for applying those type of concepts. And moreover, you're going to see that the style that you're going to encounter can be similarly to the style of the questions that you're going to see in the test, because there's so many ways to ask the same question in computer science, and in programming there's a lot of ways that you can ask the same thing. So, and there's a lot of books out there, so it's easy to get overwhelmed. So my advice is stick to the textbook, and if you have extra time to practice, go ahead and do because there's like references generally in some syllabuses, and do the practice problems there. Don't go to the internet and start doing random exercises. You can if they're on the syllabus, but stay in the syllabus, because I know during the semester there's a lot of things that go on. You have a lot of classes to take, you have a lot of assignments to hand on, so stay in your lane, stay in the syllabus. If you do this, this is going to increase your chance to get that A that you are so longing about. And this, you can use it for programming, for introduction to programming courses, data structures, and also math courses. This works too. Like when I took Calculus 1, Calculus 2, this strategy helped me a lot, because as you know, math and computer science are very related. So the strategy that you use has to be practical. So there you have it, guys. And this is the #1 tip I used, and it worked in my experience, and I share with my students, for you to get that A that you desire in your next programming course. Hope this helps, and if you applied it and you saw some great results, go ahead and share your comments below, and share your stories with the community, and go ahead and if you have any other study strategies that you use to get A's in programming courses in college, share it right there in the comment section below of this video. And remember, as always, be sure to subscribe, click that subscribe button, and also click the bell icon, because I'm going to keep making more videos where I give you more advice and value so you can improve those grades and also be a better developer. So also I'm going to put the link on the description below for the previous video that was how to add your code to GitHub, which I know it's helping a lot of people. So that'll be all for today. So don't forget to subscribe, click that thumbs up button if you liked it, so I know that I can make more videos like these and share more value and content with you guys, so you can rock at college and graduate with a high GPA and be a successful student in the computer science field. So that's all for today, and this was Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. See you in the next video, guys.